Hello friends, welcome back to a brand new video. I got some new Fidgets I really want to show you guys. First we have this chocolate and rubber confetti poppet which I got from Target, and it's super good and it's also really pretty. Next from Five Below, I got this super duper cute rocket ship shaped snapper, and it's so much fun. Here's the third thing I got, which I believe is called a bow stress ball, and it's super good. It's not exactly like the Nita, like it's a little bit more soft, but it's still so much fun to play with. I also really like that it comes with this really cute container to put it in. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and make sure to like and subscribe so I know you like this kind of content, and also turn on notifications so you know whenever I post a brand new video. See you next time!